The quote button doesn't have to show for everyone. Targeting decides which products and which buyers see it. Let's set it up. Open quote button, then targeting. Two sides, products that are quotable and customers who can request quotes. The button shows only when both sides match. On the product side, choose all products or just these products with conditions, specific products, collections, product tags, types, or vendors. Each side has a match mode. Any condition means one match is enough. All conditions means a product must satisfy every rule at once. Same idea for customers. Keep it open to everyone, or add conditions, tags, segments, logged-in buyers, guests. Or go B2B. Pick B2B company, and QuotWay reads your companies live from Shopify. Target one company, several, or a single company location. Now the button is aimed at Alpha Corp's buyers only. Retail shoppers browse right past it. Check your work with Preview a Buyer's View. Pick a product, hit check, and QuotWay tells you whether the button appears and exactly which rules matched. And if your conditions ever match 0 products, a warning appears right here before buyers notice anything. Save, and the storefront updates within a minute. Here it is live. Add to quote, exactly where you aimed it. That's targeting, the right button, in front of the right buyers. QuotWay, built for Shopify.